Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle Renee if you are new. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Revlon, I think it's 3 or 4 in 1 styler blow dryer. I've been trying it out for a month now, so I'm going to be giving you my review on it and then also showing you how I style my hair using just this alone. It's very soft and shiny. It's not frizzy at all, which is amazing. Yeah, I'll show you in the video, but it's just really easy to use. So if you're interested in seeing how this Revlon blow dryer works out, then let's go and get into the video. Okay, so I have been using this blow dryer for a month now, so I've used it probably about 5 or 6 times. I will say I absolutely love it and I'm very happy with the purchase. I think it's definitely worth the money. It definitely helps you get a nice blown out effect. It just kind of gives you that nice, like, voluminous, natural, like, flip, curl, not curls, but it just kind of has some dimension to it. It's so easy to do because you only have to use one item. You don't have to have your brush and then your blow dryer. And I noticed that having the two separate, the blow dryer and the brush, it caused me to get a lot of frizz when I would blow dry my own hair. But with this, I really feel like it leaves it soft and silky and it doesn't get very frizzy. I mean, I do have frizzes at the top and that's normal for me, but with this I definitely noticed a difference in the frizziness. So when you look at it up close, it has the like plastic beads, and then it also has the little tiny bristle hairs on the inside as well. So it really does a good job of holding the hair. So when you are twisting it, it doesn't like fall out as easy, and I feel like it's easy to wrap around. It does get hot, so when you are, you know, doing this part of your face, it does get very warm, but I don't think it's anything that I can't handle, but it does get hot. And then it also has a cool setting. This one that I got is, I believe, the newer version. I think there's the original one that came out a couple years ago, and then I believe this year they came out with just a newer, improved. It looks pretty much exactly the same, but they claim that it makes it a little bit shinier. It's faster to dry your hair, things like that. So I don't really have the other one to compare if it is any different or not. But this one is a blue version. Normally it's a black, I think, with red trimming one. If you are looking for a new blow dryer, I 100% would recommend, because it just makes it so easy having the brush and blow dryer combined. But what is also amazing about this is the volume you can get. If you really get up there and blow it out that way, it's just going to help you get a lot more volume in your hair. So that's another huge plus with that. But yeah, I think that's all I can really say about it. I definitely give it 10 out of 10. Love this thing. I would highly recommend. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a demonstration of how I use it. I'm just going to put it in a time lapse with some music.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a limit. Nigga, she ain't in it. It's just your eyes get it. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you renting. Wave hello to the top. Nigga, the very wrong guy. Tell the paparazzi get the lens wide. Got the window downtown blown up. Got the hazard on when the gun fire. You could catch me, breathe in the new life of raw. And the truck behind me got more. Yeah.
Tell me how you want it. Tell me how you want it. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool and lust. Coming to hit you on the bus is so ironic. Exotic on the verge of erotic. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixed with hydraulics. My up and down like a roller coaster. Can I come inside you? I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm erotic, in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. The rockin' knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about them players living Cali days. Dolores Tucker, you were fake to me. Instead of trying to help a brother, wanna take his G's. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's told. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm released, I'm making millions, try and top that. They wanna censor me, they'd rather see me in my cell. It's living hell, only a few of us a little tale. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up the very one that taught us all. Tell me how you want it. 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 How you want it. Tell me how you want it. I was raised as a youth. Tell the truth, I got the scoop on how to get a bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof, but when I was a teenager, mobile phones, sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting worried. They paranoid of getting buried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. They wonder if my lifestyle's changed, and am I through with all the pain? Survived and in this game, and still the same. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shake it for
guys,
their
that is
cash.
it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sure you can obviously tell. I definitely recommend this blow dryer. I think it's bomb. It's definitely worth the hype. And yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Tell me how you want it. Tell me how